Every Sunday morning, my dad would say, babe, fancy washing my car? I'll give you a tenner. I was going, yeah, I don't mind doing that, Dad. Let's give it a go. So I go out there with my bucket and sponge, wash all the car down. I get to the inside. I look under his seat. Well, my dad's favourite sweets was jelly babies. There must have been 20 empty packets of jelly babies under the seat. So I'd go into my mum and I'd say, hey, had a few sweets today, Dad? He'd go, no. I said, what's that then? There you go, grass. Anyway, when I finished the car, he'd go, here, babe, here's a tenner. Every Sunday I'd done his car. He used to go, Mum, she's enough a good girl doing my car. As he used to walk away, my mum went, how comes you do it every Sunday? I said, you know, under the car seat, it ain't the jelly baby wrappers I find. It's pound coins. They're all falling out of his pocket. I got 40 quid this week, plus the tenner. That's 50 just for washing the car. Woohoo!